we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So, we're diving into the world of automatic espresso machines today, right? I've got the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go, the Silver EP 3246/74 model.
And I'm here with the Nespresso Gran Lattissima by DeLonghi in fresh white. I'm excited to see how these two compare because they seem to cater to slightly different coffee lovers.
Let's see how they stack up. The Philips machine is all about options. It boasts that it can make 5 different types of coffee, from espresso to latte macchiato, all from fresh beans. That's pretty cool for a single machine.
The Nespresso focuses on that classic Nespresso experience, ease and consistency. It's designed for espresso and milk-based drinks, and it comes with an integrated milk frother. Plus, you get that variety pack of capsules to start.
The Philips has that Latte Go system for frothing milk, which Philips claims is exceptionally easy to clean. They say it's only 2 parts and cleans in 15 seconds. That's a big selling point for me. Less time cleaning, more time drinking.
Cleaning on the Nespresso is also straightforward. According to the 2,700+ reviews, people seem to appreciate how easy it is to maintain. The customer reviews mention the cleaning process is straightforward.
This Philips one has ceramic grinders that they say will last for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee. Plus, you can adjust the grind to 12 different levels, from ultrafine to coarse, so you can really dial in your perfect cup.
The Nespresso uses capsules, so no grinding needed, which some people might prefer for the convenience. It comes with a variety pack of different intensity capsules, ranging from a 5 to a 10, so you can find your perfect strength.
The Philips uses something called the aroma extract system for temperature control. Supposedly, it keeps the water between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius, which they say is the optimum temperature for brewing.
The Nespresso delivers a consistent 1.35 ounces espresso brew every time. It's designed for that specific serving size, which is great if you like that classic espresso shot.
One thing that stands out is the Philips claims you can make up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale, thanks to their AquaClean filter. That could save a lot of time and hassle.
I didn't see anything specific about descaling for the Nespresso in the description, but the customer reviews do mention that the manual is easy to read, so it probably covers it.
The Philips is a bit bigger, with dimensions of 17 inches deep, 10 wide, and 15 high, so you'll need some counter space for it.
Yeah, the Nespresso seems more compact, perfect if you're tight on space. Both are currently unavailable, though, which is a bummer for anyone looking to buy right now.
Overall, it seems like the Nespresso is geared towards quick and easy espresso-based drinks, using capsules, prioritizing convenience and consistency.
And the Philips gives you more control over the brewing process with the adjustable grinder and bean-to-cup approach, appealing to those who enjoy experimenting and customizing their coffee. It really depends on what you're looking for in an espresso machine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.